Welding is a metal joining technique. It uses high heat to join the same type of metal together. This means that you can only weld steel to steel, or aluminium to aluminium. Welding can produce temperatures up to 5,660 degrees Fahrenheit. That is almost as hot as the sun. Recall that metals can withstand such high temperatures. Welding is done by creating a lot of heat using electricity. It uses an electrode to carry the electricity. The electrode heats up as electricity flows through it, just like the filament in a light bulb. The melted metals begin to mix in the weld pool, much like any two liquids would mix. These mixed metals will then begin to cool down. Once the weld pool is fully cooled, the metals will be permanently combined. Recall that welding produces a lot of heat. Non-metals have a very low melting point, which means they will melt at low temperatures. If you try to weld a non-metal, like plastic, it will melt and catch fire.